Since 1971, the Forex market has taken over as the largest financial global market on the planet. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and is essentially recession-proof. It's a market that most have never heard of, though it's accessible to everyone, allowing you to trade your own money directly. That's where Blue Capital Academy comes in. Blue Capital Academy was created by traders for traders. We believe that everyone learns at their own pace, giving you indefinite access to the members area where you can find over 50+ training videos, all of our recorded sessions, downloadable PDFs and guides, no matter what device you're accessing from. By choosing Blue Capital Academy, you will have access to the master trader, as well as educators, along with regular live in-person classes. Can't make the live in-person classes? We've got you covered. Either join the live session from home or wait for the recording to be posted inside the Academy. Don't ever feel left behind. The Academy is specifically designed for beginners to advanced level traders. So no matter where you are in your trading journey, you will find significant value. Recognizing that this is still an investment for you, we will make it as easy as possible to still be able to profit from the market while learning the craft. Not only do we hold your hand along the process to become a successful trader, but we make it simple for you to copy and paste our own educators' trades to help you make money along the way. We're talking about exact entry points, stop losses, and take profits delivered directly to your phone. By mastering Forex, you can build your own schedule while making profits. All you need to start is a mobile device and an internet connection, and the drive to learn and grow. Welcome to Blue Capital Academy, the #1 online Forex trading academy.